Hello, thanks for stopping by the Goddess Crochet YouTube channel. My name is Joanna, and today we're going to learn how to do the chainless double crochet stitch. Now, the reason that you might want to do a chainless double crochet stitch is that when you chain for normal, you're either then working into the stitch on the row around back, or you're going to go ahead and do a double crochet stitch. Now, when you're working in the round, this almost adds a whole nother stitch, and it kind of shifts your work over a little bit, which makes it look not very good. So the chainless double crochet stitch is a great way to not add any bulk and just have the one stitch. So let's get started. All you need to do, and it's super easy, pull up the yarn to the height of a double crochet stitch, just about. Doesn't have to be perfect, just, you know, eyeball it. Put your finger on top of the yarn, then go ahead and twist your hook behind and back of that yarn. Now it looks like you have 2 loops on your hook. Now go into the stitch where you want the double crochet to come out of. So we're starting a row, so I'm just going to go right into that first stitch. Then we're going to yarn over and pull up a loop. Then we're going to yarn over and pull through that first loop and what we were just holding on to. Then there's 2 loops left on the hook. Then we're going to yarn over and pull through those 2 loops again. Now, when I've done my first stitch, I like to take a bobby pin. Here, let me get this crochet hook out. I like to take a bobby pin and put it underneath the V's so I can easily find the stitch later. There we go. So now I know exactly where my first double crochet stitch is. And then you can keep crocheting on. And see how it looks just like a double crochet stitch. So, say you want to work into a space instead of a stitch. Maybe your pattern has you working to slip stitching to a space and then working in that space. So we're going to slip stitch over to our space right there, chain 1 space. Okay, we've slip stitched, and now we're going to do our chainless double crochet again. So pull up a loop about the height of a double crochet, put your finger right on that loop, turn and bring the hook to the back so it looks like there's 2 loops on the hook, and keep them nice and tight with that finger. Yarn, go into the space or the stitch that you're working into, and then yarn over and pull up a loop. Then yarn over and pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through the last 2. And you might need to pinch right here to make sure that those loops don't go anywhere. Just like that. All right. Let's do that one more time. So we're pulling up a loop to the height of a double crochet, putting our finger on the loop, twisting the hook behind, going into the stitch, pulling up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, pinch right there so we don't lose those 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 2, and there's your double crochet stitch. And you can put bobby pins in to mark those 2 loops that you'll need to go into on the way back. So that's it. Super easy and really useful for making a garment look really nice and neat. It's so useful. So I hope that you found this easy, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. I hope you have a wonderful day wherever you are and are staying comfortable and healthy. Have a great day.